The Statistics button in the administration panel provides a snapshot about the items held in OpenKM and the resources needed to support it. We can check the amount of documents placed in the DMS classified by context. How many folders, how many mails, number of records, the OS memory dedicated to the application, the memory of the virtual machine, the space used and free in the operating system. OpenKM work out the indicators once a day. Let's think that the administrator is interested in now the effects of an important repository importation in OpenKM. They could see it directly. With a refresh button, they can see the calculation updated. The statistics interface helps to take strategical decisions. Now, let's think that we want to change the security of this folder. We want let access to 2 users. As we can see, the security has been updated just in time. Now, we will give them all the privilege. And we'll set this new security to the entire taxonomy. This means change the security of all folders directory. We check that this change still doesn't appear. If the task means more resources that OpenKM estimate that the app should run automatically, the event will appear in the pending task section. Here, we can see the event run that in this moment is pending. The pending task queue gives us the opportunity to talk about the front app, the feature that let us manage all the application's tasks that should be executed regarding periods of time. We can manage the pending task queue from front app. As we can see, it's a task that works in 5 minutes interval. Each 5 minutes, the task is activated. If in this period OpenKM finds any pending task, the application will work the task until finish it, and so on. To avoid waiting the activation task, the administrator can execute the cron tab when required. If we came back to Statistics, Pending Task Queue, we can check that the task is running. In the status, we can see how the task is progressing. The administrator can refresh to make progress the task faster. When the task is complete, the pending task queue becomes empty. If we come back to the desktop, we can check that the security is updated in the Home taxonomy. Other section available from Statistics is a text extraction queue. As example, we will upload a file. And immediately, we will try to search it by any word inside the document. We realize that we cannot. This is in line with information that appears in the Properties panel of the file, Text Extraction Pending. In the text extraction queue, we can see that we have our document waiting to be analyzed. In cron tab, we will find the text extractor worker, a task that is run every 5 minutes. We execute the task, and if we come back to the text extraction queue, we can see that the file doesn't appear. This means that the text has been extracted by OpenKM. In Desktop, we can see that the Text Extracted tab shows all the content of the file. This enables us to search and find the document by any word inside it. The queues are designed to remind the operational stops. If that happened, the queue will restart from the previous step. This resource management enlarges the device lifetime. For more information, don't hesitate to contact us through openkm.com, Facebook, or Twitter.